Welcome to today's animal trivia quiz with Ant TV. Number 1. I live in water and have sharp teeth. I'm known as the king of the ocean. What am I? Shark. Number 2. I'm a bird known for my pink color and standing on one leg. Who am I? Flamingo. Number 3. I'm a farm animal with woolly fur. I go baa. What am I? Sheep. Number 4. I have long ears and can bray loudly. People often ride me. What am I? Donkey. Number 5. I'm a sea creature known for having claws, and I walk sideways. What am I? Crab. Number 6. I'm black and white, and I'm known for my stinky spray. What am I? Skunk. Number 7. I'm known for building dams and have big teeth. What am I? Beaver. Number 8. I'm very tall and love to eat ants. I have a long snout. What am I? Anteater. Number 9. I'm a tiny insect that builds a home called a hive, and I can sting. What am I? Bee. Number 10. I have 2 large tusks. I'm found in the Arctic, and I love the cold. What am I? Walrus. Number 11. I'm a big lizard with rough skin, and I'm related to dinosaurs. What am I? Crocodile. Number 12. I'm small like a bird, but I hover and drink nectar from flowers. What am I? Hummingbird. Well done, everyone! Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.